Hello and welcome back to TV34 Multimedia Productions. This is Tony, and I just want to talk a little bit about the drone lights that I got that I'm using with my drone. Got them off of Amazon, and they come in with the package of four. They come in a little box here, and you got four different uh, lights that you have in here, and they're very inexpensive. I only think I paid $9.99 for them for a pack of four. I'm going to take them out and show you what comes in the packet. There's a little light strobe here. It easily attaches to the drone if I can get it. Oh, I knew I was going to drop it. Let's try that again. Okay, here we go. That's one of the lights there. I'm going to show you how it works in just a minute. It also comes with a charger, USB charger. Comes with the USB charger. It's got a couple of rubber bands that you can use to mount the light on the drone arm. And also, if you don't want to use the rubber band, it's got a couple of Velcro stickers that you can use to mount it that way. So the way that the light works is several features. I think it said it has 40 different functions that it uses. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and let you see what it is. They make the print so small on this nest. You need glasses as well as a magnifier to try to read and understand what it says. But I'll turn it on so you can see it. That's one. Then if you press the button again, it's solid. Press it again, you got green blinking. You got a green blink slow. And then we got solid. There we go there. Blue. Blue solid. That's yellow, I think it is. Yep, you got yellow. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it a little bit better. There's a pink color. Solid. That's a blue. Solid blue. And then they got several different types of variations that you can use. So that's one of the cool things about it. And you can set them all to the same blinking status that you want to use, or you can have them individually. And then just to turn it off, just hold a button and it turns it off. So they're easy to mount on your drone. You can just mount them on your drone arm. I've got four of them that I'll show you the video that I mounted all four of them on my drone and show you the clip. We did a little video of it right at dusk. So it wasn't completely dark, but you could still see the drone pretty good, even at a distance. You could see it, and you could see the lights pretty good. So I'm sure if you could see them during that time, they'll really show up really nice. Excuse me, when it's completely dark. So I'm gonna play around with it a little bit and see what we can do. Excuse me. I bought an extra set of them just so I can have some to use for a couple of different drones that I have. So I'll play around with them and see what we can come up with and see how they look. But this is it. That's the little drone light you use right there, the one that I'm using. I'll try to put a link at the bottom of the description where you can go directly to Amazon and order them if you want to. $9.99. There may be different kinds that are available, but this is one I found that it's pretty lightweight, easy to attach onto your drone, and it works pretty well. So stay tuned. Right after this, I'll show you the video clip of us taking it out and flying it with the lights and see how it looks, and let us know what you think about the results. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more with TV34 Multimedia Productions. Hey guys, we're going to get us a shot again. Welcome back to TV34 Multimedia Productions. We're going to try out the drone again with my night lights. Got my drone remote right here, and we're gonna take a look down at the camera. You can see the drone, the lights already lit up and everything. We'll see if we can get it connected and see if we can get it connected and see how good the lights are showing up. Okay, let's see. All right, so we're getting ready to get the drone up in the air. There we go.
Went dark again.
That's okay, just hit the back of it. Okay, there we go. Got it up in the air, so you can see it. And we're just gonna take a flight up, and hopefully that won't don't fall, baby. I'm gonna move it forward so you can put it that way. You can see to get the moon in the shot with it too.
Can't really see it.
That's okay. That's okay. Raise it up a little bit higher.
Guess it wasn't quite dark enough.
Just get it out here and fly it around real quick and see what it does.
Can't see it.
Okay, let me turn around and go up a little bit higher.
I can't see it.
That's okay. That's okay. It's hard to see it with that particular camera, so I'm gonna bring it back in close and you can get over the top of it. There it is, right in front of the moon. That's a good shot right there.
I'm not the best camera person.
That's okay.
I thought it would be better.
Back around this way. Well, the thing is, you can see it better if it's darker.
Right, but I thought it still would be a little bit more visible in the dusk, but I guess not.
Come back this way. You can see it probably good when you come up close to it. I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna bring it down, baby. You gotta break your neck.
Well, you wanted it in the shot, so I'm trying to.
Let it hover up just a minute. I'll bring it in a little bit closer to you. More or less just so you can see over the top of it. Can you see it now?
Mm-hmm.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go up a little bit closer, up under. Let me see. All right. This is how it looks. All right, that's not too bad. It's lit up pretty good. You can see it pretty good. You want to hold that? All right, I'm gonna bring it down for a minute. And I'm gonna do a quick flight real quick and see what we get.
Lame.
Turn around so it'll go the right direction. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna back it up just so you can see it a little bit closer. Lift it up so you can see up under it. Do it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Lower it a little bit and you're gonna take off.